Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to buy and hold cryptocurrency on Binance, step by step. First, you will need to create your Binance account. You can do this easily using a valid email address or phone number. After that, complete the identity verification process by providing the necessary personal documents. This is a crucial step for security and compliance. Finally, enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator or SMS, to add an extra layer of protection to your account. This helps keep your assets safe. Now that your account is set up, the next step is to fund it. Binance offers several convenient ways to deposit money. You can choose to use a bank transfer, which typically takes a few business days, or instantly deposit using a debit or credit card. Another popular option is peer-to-peer trading, allowing you to buy crypto directly from other users. Always ensure your chosen currency aligns with your deposit method to avoid any conversion issues. Be mindful of any minimum deposit amounts or small transaction fees. With funds in your account, you are ready to make your first purchase. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. Here, you can select from hundreds of different cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or many others. Simply enter the amount of fiat currency you wish to spend, for example, $100, or specify the exact amount of crypto you want to acquire. Always take a moment to review all the order details, including the price and fees, before confirming your transaction. It's a straightforward process. Once you have purchased your cryptocurrency, it will automatically be held in your Binance Spot wallet. For smaller amounts, this is perfectly fine. However, for larger holdings, many users choose to transfer their assets to a personal hardware wallet, like a Ledger or Trezor, for maximum security. Always remember to regularly review your account activity for anything unusual, and ensure all available security features are enabled. Staying informed about the best practices for cryptocurrency security is key to protecting your investments over the long term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.